Silly.
Hi guys, welcome back to Celestial Journey. I thought I would bring you the second part of the cooking demonstration we attended while on board. In this second part, Teresa and the chef will show us how to make Seafood Saganaki. It was delicious. In the little theater room that we came and did the demonstrations in the morning.
Next question, please. Is anyone allergic to seafood? One. The recipe is not for you. But you can use the same recipe of making the sauce. But if you're allergic to seafood, you want more tzatziki, half. And pita, just
Yeah.
Now, everyone likes feta cheese. No. No, one no, two no. Two no feta cheese. Three no. Three no feta cheese? Okay. Three no feta cheese. Okay? So, let's see the seafood before everything else. Okay? We have here calamari, squid. Calamari, squid. We have mussels with no shell. Okay? I have medium-sized shrimps. Already clean? Yes?
Yeah.
Please don't take the one that you need to clean. I have clams and I have mussels with shell. Okay? Now, something common that we are making here in Greece is all with mussel or with shrimps.
Okay.
Don't forget budget. If you want to show off, put them all. Have salary. Yes?
Yeah.
Now, we need stove, medium heat, not medium low, medium high. You need to be on the top, top. You cannot leave. So that means that you need to have all your ingredients ready cut. Why? Because if I say I need chopped onion, chopped garlic. If I chop my onion and after that I say, okay, let's chop the garlic now, you will burn everything. Yes? So, chopped onion, chopped garlic, someone to cook it. Now the chef, we need tomato sauce. If I don't have the time to chop a bunch of tomatoes, because if I have the time, instead of using tomato sauce, you can use chopped fresh tomatoes. It will give another sensation to your dish. Yes? But if I don't have Teresa time, what you're talking about, I need to go, no way. So, tomato sauce, and please add 1 or 2 chopped tomatoes. It will change all the taste, yes?
Yeah.
So, I need oregano. Yes.
Yeah.
Dry oregano for the end. And if you have, do you have a garden? If I have, I would take. Me neither. I have a supermarket close to me.
Yeah.
So I have a garden and I have herbs. If I have thyme, fresh thyme, I use at the end. At the end. If I go to the supermarket and I take, like, let's say, thyme but dry thyme, I use it at the beginning because thyme is doing what? Pops. Thyme pops. Oregano burns. So dry oregano at the end, dry thyme at the beginning, fresh thyme at the end, fresh oregano at the end as well. Thank you. So, feta cheese, I'm not saying the quantity, feta cheese is as much. Basically me a lot. Yes? Just to be... And here I'm using the olive oil I was using before. I don't want to cook, I want to saute. Yes?
Saute.
And now,
okay.
don't forget, on the age of my grandmother, they were doing everything with olive oil. Frying, cooking, everything. Now, no. Oh. Smells so nice.
It does.
Well, so my eyes are burning. I am free for hugs later. Yes, we smell of onion. And I have a question that we'll use later. Do you know? Okay, I have youngsters here. Okay, so for the ones over 18 is in Greek the age to drink. Yes, 18. US 21. So, do we know what is this? That's Ouzo. 40% alcohol. Okay, let's discuss this later, but keep this in mind. Also, we need this to cook now, not to drink. Cook. So we add like this. So we put the calamari, the squid first. Why I put the squid first when I know that if I put the squid and I leave it in 30 seconds will be like rubber. Yes? But squid it's from here I'm okay. Squid is the seafood that needs more time to take the flavors. That's why you're on the top and you stir. Yes, you don't leave, you stir all the time. Now ladies, if you have your phone next to you and you like talking on the phone while cooking, so I'm the only one doing that. Please, earphone, yes? Plug it in, and still keep cooking. Next one, shrimps. Did you put them all? Bravo, thank you. So, medium-sized shrimps. When you will cook the shrimps, what will happen automatically? From medium to become small. Can I give you a tip? When you will go and you will make it with shrimps, you will buy one big pack of medium size, ready like this, clean, ready. And you will buy as well a pack of big size. You will put all the medium size in your Seafood Saganaki, and you will put, not many, some big. So at the end, for the presentation, you put the big on the top.
Yeah.
It's true, works.
Good tip.
Yes. The eye. Now for the mussels. Put it on. Thank you. So, mussels. Mussels, no shell. Cheaper, right?
Yeah.
But you eat. Thank you. So, a big pack of mussels, no shell. And you have a pack of mussels with shell. You make it only with mussels. All the pack with no shell and some with a shell. Presentation, shell on the top.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, why not? Yeah. Thank you so much. Now, clams, just to show off. Yes? Yes. But doesn't matter. Let him put. Now, this is a recipe that can be ready in 20 minutes. 20 minutes, even 15 minutes cooking. Yes? Now, something really important. This is an appetizer. Originally, this is an appetizer. What is the Greek word for appetizers? Meze. Meze. Now, do I have Spanish people here? Tapas. Tapas. We call it tapas. Tapas, because everyone has been to eat tapas. Tapas in a while. Tapas in Greek, meze. Now, you want...
Uh-oh.
Wait. Put pause on the meze. Yes? Pause. Okay, can I ask now something? Who's doing flambe at home?
We have.
I burned my kitchen twice. That's why I'm asking. I did it twice. So ready? Put. Okay, now. Oh. You want an announcement after? Ta-ta! Thank you for not burning the ceiling, which is okay. It's done. Why flambe is important, ladies and gentlemen?
Burns off the alcohol.
Evaporates all the alcohol. Why we don't need the alcohol?
Excuse me.
Because it will get bitter. If I leave it and Don't burn it. Curly hair. Do you know what will happen? You know, huh? So, okay, empty. Bravo. So, don't even bring this close to me. Okay. So, still burns. He puts a lot. Evaporates the alcohol, the extra alcohol. So we have, at the end, what stays is the aroma. Cooking seafood, we like the anise. Yes, it's the aroma of anise. Now you will tell me, yes, Teresa, but I don't want to use alcohol on my dish. Or it's not easy to find Ouzo back home.
Probably.
So what you're gonna do, the best souvenir, I will be honest with you, the best souvenir to buy from Greece is a small bottle, small, I'm not taking you, small bottle of olive oil. If you're not making yours, yes, if you're making yours, bring me, let's exchange. And a small bottle of Ouzo. Or something that is not easy to find at home, or if you find, it's too expensive. Yes? Like something, I don't drink Ouzo. Obvious reasons. So I have one small bottle for cooking. Now, if you don't want to use for cooking, do you know the asterisks? The stars, the
Yeah,
stars.
sarnies, yeah.
Yes, so what you do, you put it in a cloth, and the beginning of your cooking section at home, you put the cloth inside. When your dish is done, you remove the cloth. You put it on. Tomato sauce. After the Ouzo, not before. After the Ouzo, you put the tomato sauce. And of course, the chopped tomatoes, which I love. I prefer to cook and chop both. Now, I don't have Ouzo, I don't have the stars. I have a good bottle of white wine. Do I use or not?
Yes.
Yes. Question, who will use the wine that is almost ready to discard? Are we going to use it for cooking?
Yeah.
No.
No, okay.
I will tell you. At the beginning when I started cooking, I was thinking,
Don't
I
waste
need
it.
to use it.
Yeah.
I need to use it because, anyway, I will throw it away. Whatever you use on your dish, the quality that you will use, you will taste. So if you want to use a wine, you use the wine that you will drink because you will feel it. So I don't have Ouzo, I use white wine. Yes, for fish, seafood, white wine or Ouzo. So you stir. Don't put the feta. Still, okay. Again, I have 3 no feta. 3 no feta. Okay. So I don't like feta. Is anyone else that came now doesn't like feta cheese? 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay. So you stir. Don't forget, when you turn it off, it will still continue the cook process, right? So it needs more than 10 minutes basically for the seafood. More time you need for the garlic and the onion basically, and the tomato sauce to mix all together. Now, we need 3 plates, empty. Empty, yes. So,
Question.
4 plates. 4. ¿Tampoco tú comes feta? Qué bueno. No importa. Se hace sin feta. You can do this without cheese as well. But you cannot call it Saganaki. Yes? You call it Greek seafood. Now, I will tell you because Saganaki is whatever has the tomato sauce and the cheese. Yes? That's why we call it Saganaki. And because we have cheese, tomato sauce, plus seafood Saganaki. Now, this is a meze. You can serve it as it is, small, yes, meze. But we want it for main dish. What you will add?
Like
Pasta. What else? Rice.
Good when I ask.
As well. Yes, what else we can add, I will tell you. Για σας τους Έλληνες από πίσω, εσείς θα το καταλάβετε, no one else. Now, if you're Greek, you will feel it. If you're not Greek, you will say, Teresa, what are you talking about? Summertime, grandma's house, fried potatoes.
Ah.
Homemade, huh?
Homemade.
Homemade. Fried potatoes.
Fried potatoes.
Something that's really common in grandma's house. All Greek. People are doing the same until now. It's not helping, I know, except if you have how you call it, an air fryer.
An air fryer.
Yes, except you have an air fryer. Yeah. But like original fried potatoes, you will tell me, Teresa, is not helping. But what to do, Grandma? It's Grandma.
It's grandma.
Okay. Μ'
Teresa,
αρέσει αυτό το κούνημα στο κεφάλι το ξέρω. So, you use it however you want. If I don't want to use pasta or rice or pita bread, or I don't want to use fried potatoes, I can make a really nice fish fillet, grilled fish fillet, and put it on the side. This to be your side, yes? Or stir fry or fresh vegetables and put it on the side. Or if you want a nice salad, lettuce salad, like, and put it on the side, because this has everything. Now, have you been to a Greek taverna?
yes.
Not fancy restaurant, I need to, like taverna.
Think so.
So, I will tell you. No feta cheese, they're coming now, raise your hand. No importa, ¿qué? ¿Qué pasa? No pasa nada. One here, two there, one my lady in the middle. They will show you. So,